How do I open the settings menu in Windows 7?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we will be showing you how to open the settings menu in Windows 7. It's a simple process that will allow you to make changes to your system, personalize your experience, and adjust features to your liking.
What is the settings menu?
The settings menu is a part of the operating system that allows you to change various aspects of your computer's functionality and appearance. In Windows 7, this menu is typically referred to as the control panel.
Accessing the control panel via the Start menu.
Here's how you can open the settings menu, or the control panel, through the Start menu. 1. Click on the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. 2. In the Start menu, look for the control panel. It should be listed on the right side of the menu. 3. Click on Control Panel to open it. Now, you're in the settings menu where you can adjust your system settings.
Accessing the control panel via the search bar.
Another way to access the control panel is through the search bar. Here's how. 1. Click on the Start button to open the Start menu. 2. At the bottom of the Start menu, you'll see a search bar. 3. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. 4. Click on the control panel in the search results to open it. And that's it. Those were 2 straightforward ways on how to open the settings menu in Windows 7. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the control panel is your central hub for most system settings on your Windows 7 computer. So, feel free to explore and customize your system to your liking. Thanks for watching.